Wow. Immediately, guys, I can feel the panel getting slicker and slicker. Awesome. Greetings, my people. It's your boy Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to my channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Yeah, man. Do you guys need quick and easy ceramic protection for your vehicle? One way to do it is to use Technician's Choice Ceramic Detail Spray. This product is the truth. I've been using it more and more in my detailing business. Trust me, guys. Quick and easy application. You can apply it to wet or dry vehicles. All the exterior surfaces will leave a nice gloss, a nice slickness with a bit of protection. You can use it as a standalone product or even as a ceramic booster. All right, my people, let me wash off the work truck and show you how I like to use this product. Time to give the work truck a quick rinse off, foam up, then I take a contact wash, spruce her up a bit. Alright guys, the work truck is now clean. Let me show you guys how I love to use this product. I got my drying towel here, it's a little bit damp. I got the Technician's Choice. What do you do, guys? Panel is wet. A little shake. Couple spritz, guys. A lot goes a long way with this product. You don't need a lot. There you go in. Wow. Immediately, guys, I can feel the panel getting slicker and slicker. Awesome. So it adds that lubrication, guys, between the towel and the paint, and I can actually feel the panel getting that glass-like feel. It's exactly what you're looking for. Awesome. Even works well on glass on your windows. It has a nice smell to it, guys. As I'm spraying, I can actually smell it. I can't really describe the smell, but it's quite nice. And it's almost immediate, guys. As soon as you work the product in, you can feel the slickness almost instantaneously. That's fantastic. I find when I use it this way too, guys, it doesn't leave any streaking behind, which is a definite plus. This panel here, let's give it 1, 2 spritz. One up here to the hood. I can feel the towel, guys, just gliding over the paint. Smooth and nice. Yeah, man, we dried off the vehicle, and let me tell you something, guys. You heard me talking about how slick it feels while I was drying with the towel. After now, I can actually feel with my hand. You can actually feel that glass-like finish. Awesome. I think my vehicle actually looks a tad bit more glossy also. Like I said, this video is primarily for demonstration purposes, guys. You might see a couple drips here and there. I'm just trying to film a nice review for you guys in between appointments. But you don't know, the work truck is nice and clean now, so when we pull up to the customer, we're looking good, right? So that's one way. That's my best way. I like to use it as a drying aid. But also, you can use this product on dry panels also. Like I said before, I use it one-to-one as a drying aid. If any detailers or DIYers out there use it at a different dilution, drop me some comments. Let me know. I think at one-to-one as a drying aid, it works pretty well for me. You know, just few sprays, guys. You have a clean microfiber towel. You just work it in. So slick, guys. I can feel it. Wow. And then you can either use another towel or, you know, we just flip this one and just finish it off. Absolutely no streak in here, guys. Wonderful. I can actually see the paint looking a little bit more glossy, and it does feel super smooth. If you guys were wondering too, it's actually good on wheels too. You just slightly missed it. And then again, guys, I can feel instantaneously the slickness. Wow, this product is fantastic. I don't know if you can see it on camera, guys, but I can actually see the finish on the rim here actually looking a bit more glossy also. Same with the paint. I only wish you guys could feel this. Fantastic. All right, my people, now that the technician's choice has been applied, let's see how it affects the paint. Not bad. You can see some beading here, guys. Sheeting off the paint. You can see the drips down here. See all the water that's sheeting off the paint. Thumbs up to that. It does add a tad bit of protection, a little bit of hydrophobics to go along with the gloss and the slickness. Alright, guys, this product gets 2 thumbs up from me. You don't know, slickness, gloss, a little bit of protection, way up there. You DIYers or detailers, trust me, for first time clients, let me tell you something, man. If you apply this to your final touches, your clients are going to be wowed. The gloss will be amplified, and when they feel that thickness, they're going to be, that's the detailer for me. So you don't know, guys, it's Clean Car Chris coming at you again every Wednesday, 4 p.m. Like, share, subscribe. I'm going to leave a link in the description. You don't know, if you click the link and purchase the product that way, it will definitely help the channel. So I'd appreciate that every time.